I just got this sketchbook and the color pencils in the mail today, and I thought it would be fun to film myself decorating it and drawing on the first page. I don't know why, but we have a pocket here, but the page quality is seeming to be nice, and it's 180 GSM, which is just about perfect. And these are the sketchbooks that I use currently. I I think this is 250 GSM. I use this for my gouache paintings, and I think I have 2 or 3 pages left in it. So I think I can do a sketchbook tour for this one. And this other one that I have, this one is 150 GSM. I use this for my acrylic markers drawings. Also because I don't have any stickers, so I decided to make my own stickers with acrylic markers, and I will say the process was very messy, but I think I enjoyed it, and I decided to make some green themed stickers because the sketchbook was green. The mushrooms were looking really cute in my opinion, and the 4-leaf clover too. But I didn't wanna decorate it too much so that I don't get to the perfect sketchbook syndrome. I think I really like how it looks now. Okay, so back to drawing. Before I start, this sketchbook has a different build, so I had to place a pencil box underneath for a better support. I wanted to go freehand with the color pencils, but to me, graphites are more flowy, so I switched back for the better shapes and outlines. I feel like these color pencils are pretty pigmented, although I mostly use color pencils for doodling like this and drawings underneath. I kind of like these ones. And for the sketchbook, their website said that this sketchbook is mostly for alcohol markers or acrylic markers or color pencils, but I think I'll use this one for gouache or other water based mediums too, and I'll let you guys know how that works. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.